little bending, so it is better you have to keep it like this so that the bend will be gone. The bend slowly will gone, and 2 in 1. At the same time you have to fill water also. Okay, I am keeping the small vessel on this big vessel of same. This is I got told as like a symmetry. 1:2, like the ratio is 1:2. This is 1, this is double 2. Approximately. This is 1, this is 2. Approximately. So the teacher can explain the topic like any 2 things, but it is not a symmetry. But compare with this 1:2:3. Okay, 3 things. The teacher can explain the symmetrical 3 things. Okay, teacher can explain using this illustration, using this real example. This is 1. This is double 2 approximately. This is 3. So that is 1:2:3. I will explain afterwards. So this is 1. This is double than this. This is triple time this rather than this small one. Okay, this big vessel is double than this. It means this is triple than this. And 2:1 means this is 1 time more than this. Okay, like this. So by using this, we can explain this. Say I want to tell about the numbers slowly. That's why I started the story. Okay, how the number has been framed, and I'm going to explain about the different types of number afterward. Example natural number. Okay, first I am going to explain about the number story, how the numbers had been framed, how the number had been formed. Then I am slowly I am going to explain about this number system. Number system like natural number system, then whole number, NWZQR. NWZQR, what is the NWZQR? Now I am telling like doesn't make any curiosity. So first I am going to explain about a number, how does the number had been framed. And after telling, I am going to explain about the number have been framed. Then only I am going to explain slowly each and every concept. Okay, it will be easy to difficult way. That is known to unknown, like known to unknown, that methodology which we are using, or the technique which we are using, we can tell, or the trick we can use, we can tell, tips we can use, that also we can tell from known to unknown concept. I'm going to explain about this number system, all number system, and this for a secondary school student, or number system starts from, I think, up to 5th standard, and the children will think about that number. Whenever we explain all, before 5th standard, if you tell the concept, they won't understand. So minimum 5th standard, okay, those who are studied at least 3rd standard, they can, up to 3rd standard, they can learn about how to alphabets and everything. And at least minimum 5th standard, if they study, then only if your teacher teach, then only they will understand. Okay, so up to 3rd standard, they know that what the teacher tells. That just the children know. Only 3rd standard to 10th standard only the teacher, after the teacher tells, they know. And after 5th standard only, the children will understand the difficult concept. Slow by slow, if you keep the concept, they give the concept gradually. If you increase the difficulties of the concept, increase the difficulties of the content. Slowly, if you keep it a little difficult. Okay, first whenever the child is small, now we are slowly we are the water is coming, filling, and we are taking the water, gathering the water. We cannot gather the water within 1 second full water. So like this, how we are gathering the water slow by slow in the race. So because they are grown up, according to their grown up, their mind is there, so they cannot pick up, they cannot grasp the ideas. But we are going to teachers. So up to 3rd standard, other things, they were to write the alphabet. Up to 3rd standard only, the children is able to learn about the numbers, multiplication table and the numbers, and everything they are going to learn. Okay. Then after that, slowly it is better. We have to give a concept, we have to give The teacher can teach the concept, not only put it within 1 second or 1 minute we cannot eat. So it will make a disturbance, and it may lead to the breathing trouble, and we will die. So it is better we have to feed spoon feed. We are calling it a spoon feed. Water is filling slow by slow like this. For third standard student, they will know about alphabets and number basic. So slowly whenever they will come to fifth standard only, they will understand. So with some type of plus minus and everything, then different types. Only basic third standard only, it is like a foundation, basic of our building. So we cannot give more. This is a basic now. See, now water is coming in the 50%. This is in the middle school or secondary school. If it is 3/4 in the junior college and everything, suppose the water is filled full top. Come to top mean college, and after filled they will get a job and a life, and this is going in this life. Okay. ஃபஸ்ட்டே இது வந்து டீச்சர் வந்து ஒருமித்த உருவங்கள் சொல்லுவாங்க. சிமெட்ரிக்கல் ஃபிகர்னால் ஒரே போல் இருக்க உருவங்கள். இப்போ வந்து இது வந்து சின்னதாக இருக்குது, இது கொஞ்சம் பெருசு, இது கொஞ்சம் பெருசு, மூணும் ஒரே போல் இருக்குது. இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் சின்னது, பெருசாக இருக்குது. இது ஒரு பங்குனா 2